term. Okay. So open number, page number 5th. Open the contents. Open the contents. Okay. Now see here, first unit, sets is written. In that idea of sets, it is in syllabus. And operations and Venn diagram. You can cut Venn diagram. Venn diagram you cut. So in syllabus are idea of sets, first one. Second one, operations only. Operations. Okay. So Venn diagrams, they are not in syllabus. Venn diagrams are not in syllabus. Okay. So idea of sets and operations from first unit. This is clear. Numbers, no chapters. Arithmetical problems. In third unit, arithmetic problems. First one, direct and inverse variations. Direct and inverse variations. Second one, time and work. 2 chapters from this one, first and second. Arithmetic problems, first and second chapters. Okay. Then algebra, 5th one, linear equations and inequations. Okay. Linear equations and inequations. And some questions we already discussed that they are not in syllabus. We have told. Okay. So 5th, linear equations and inequations. Now geometry, constructions. Second one, constructions. Second one, constructions. Now mensuration, volume and surface area.
Sir, in numbers unit, no lesson will come in numbers unit.
Numbers, no lesson. Okay, mensuration, volume and surface area. That we have already completed. Okay, this is the syllabus. I will upload the pic. I'll write and upload on WhatsApp group as well. Okay. So if you haven't get the syllabus, still you can check the word. I'll put on WhatsApp. Okay. So regarding the volume and surface area we have already discussed. I'll be uploading the solutions today, and you can go through it, or you can check your work as well. Okay. Check your work, and if still you have any doubt, tomorrow morning we're having class, you can ask. Okay. So today we are starting with sets.
Sir, can you explain 12th question?
12th, okay, I'll be uploading the solutions today. Just go through it once. If I haven't understood,
okay,
you can ask tomorrow morning. Okay, volume and surface area we'll be discussing tomorrow. Today we'll be starting sets.
Sir, where you will upload, sir, some
WhatsApp group. WhatsApp group I'll upload. Okay. Okay, so today we are starting with set. Set at home, we have seen the set. For example, dinner set. We have the dinner set. Yes or no? Dinner set. Or your pencil box. It is also a set. They are also a set. Pencil box. It contains well-defined items, well-defined objects it contains. What are the objects, for example? It will contain pencil, rubber, sharpener, etc. Okay. So what is there? See, pencil box is one set. It is one set. Okay. In that set, what we have? We have very well-defined objects. Pencil, pencil, rubber, rubber, sharpener. So these are objects of, this is our set, pencil box. What are these? These are objects. These are objects, or they are called as elements of sets. They are called as elements of set. Okay. They are called as elements of set. So how many number of elements the pencil box has? How many are there? 1, 2, 3. So pencil box is containing 3 elements. Now in the form of set, how we can define? For example, pencil box I am representing with P set. P is the set representing pencil box. So P equal to, now set is a well defined.
the page number.
Page number, it is 1. ST3. ST3. You are in 8th class, you can't find the page number here. ST3. So P is a set. So set will define with 2 brackets, curly brackets, and in between we'll write the elements. In between these two brackets, we will writing the elements. These are called braces or curly brackets or second type of brackets. So what are contained? Pencil, rubber, sharpener. So what is a set? Set is a well-defined. It's a collection of well-defined objects. These are well-defined objects. And how many are there? 1, 2, 3 elements. We can write them in any order. They can be written in any order. Whether you arrange pencil somewhere, rubber somewhere, sharpener. It doesn't matter. Pencil box will contain 3 elements. It can be written as like this as well. Rubber.
So you are teaching
sharpener.
idea of sets.
Yes, I'm teaching idea of sets. Rubber, sharpener, pencil. So this set can be represented like this, or like this, or any order they can be represented. So order does not matter. The arrangement of the elements does not matter. What matters is the elements. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this set P, pencil box, how many elements we are having? 3 elements. So this pencil box contains 3 elements, and they can be arranged in any order. They can be arranged in any order. So there is a well-defined objects. There are well-defined objects. Always remember, set must consist of well-defined objects. For example, if I say make a set which contains names of big cities. Make a set we have to make which contains name of big cities. Can we make a set of the names of big cities? Can we make?
No.
Why?
No.
Because see here,
No, sir.
big cities, how we can define big cities? Either we have to put the conditions must be there, or else if we simply we are saying that name of the big cities we have to make a set. For example, Sikar. For some, it can be big cities. For some, it cannot be. So there are no conditions that how we are defining big cities. So this is not a well-defined object. This is not a well-defined object. Therefore, this is not a set. This is not a set. This is clear? Okay. Now we discuss question number 1. Rest we'll discuss afterwards. Okay. Go with the question number 1. Okay. Open page number ST6. Open page number here, ST6. Exercise 1A. Which of the following collections are set? Collection of the elements. Which of the following collections are sets? First one, collection of the positive integers that are less than 6. So first one, positive integers. What are integers? Integers we denote with I or Z. What are the integers? Minus, from minus infinity to, for example, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, up to infinity. These are integers. These are integers. And what are natural numbers? We denote with n. N are 1, 2, 3, 4, up to infinity. What are whole numbers? We denote with W. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to infinity. This is clear. These three you must remember. Integers from minus infinity to plus infinity. And what are the elements? -4, -6, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to infinity. And from 0 to infinity, they are whole numbers. And 1 to infinity, 1, 2, 3, 4, they are natural numbers. Okay. So first one, the collection of the positive integers that are less than 6. Positive integers, that means from here we start, that are less than 6. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, less than 6. So this much only. Is it well defined? Objects are well defined?
Yes.
Objects are well defined? That we have defined, these are the objects. So this is a set. First one is a set. Second one, collection of big cities of India that we already discussed. Big
Sir,
cities of
page
India.
number.
Page number ST6. ST6. Exercise 1A. So second collection of big cities of India. That is not a set because we are not able to define which are big cities. We haven't put any conditions that this if the population of the big city is more than 1 million or
Sir.
more than 50,000. Yes.
Sir, first question we have to do in notebook. Sir, first question.
First question, no need of doing in notebook. You can do it in book. You can write somewhere the reasons as well. You can write. Okay. So is it a big cities? We haven't put the condition that if the population is more than this, then only it will be called as big cities. Here we are simply saying collection of big cities in India. So we haven't defined what are big cities. Therefore, it is not a set. Second one, not a set. Third one, collection of rich people in India. We haven't defined rich people. Who will be considered rich? We haven't defined. We haven't defined any criteria that who are rich and who are poor. So this is
Sir,
not a
your
set.
video is paused. Sir, your video is
Paused.
No, sir, video is coming.
No, sir.
Okay, it's coming. Okay, it's fine. The
No,
collection
sir,
of the
it's clear.
okay, if it is paused, just switch it off once and switch it again. The collection of the integers that are divisible by 3. Collection of integers that are divisible by 3. We can take that is also a set divisible by 3. Which are divisible by 3? 3, 6, 9 up to infinity. Similarly here, -3, -6, -9 up to minus infinity. Therefore, it is also well-defined set. It is also well-defined set. So first and fourth are only sets. They are only sets. Set is a collection of well-defined objects. First and fourth. Okay. Now see here.
The second question we have to do in book or notebook?
Second question book only. Okay. Now I'll be explaining the basics for second question. Okay. For example, we are having set A. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4 elements we have. So this is sign of belonging. For example, you belongs to your family. You belongs to your family. So for example, your name we can take anything. What name should we take? AB. AB name. Okay. Abby. Okay. Abby belongs to family and belongs to which family? Masuka family. Okay. Abby belongs to Masuka family. Okay. Abby belongs to Masuka family. And okay, Abby belongs to Masuka family. This is sign of belonging. Whether you belong or not. Belonging, not belonging. Belonging and not belonging this one. Not belonging. This is belonging, this is not belonging. So for example, this is a set A, elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these are the elements. So 1 belongs to family, belongs to set A. 1 is belonging to set A. 2 is also belonging to set A. 3 also belonging to set A. 4 as well belonging to set A. 5 does belong to set A or not?
No.
5 is belonging set A or not?
It is not belonging.
Not belonging.
It is not belonging to set A. Okay, if I write it like this, 1, 2, belonging to A or not? It is not belonging because these must be elements. It is a set of 2 elements. It is again a set of 2 elements. These must be elements, not a set. A set belonging to set is not there. Okay. So elements, we can write only the elements. 1 belongs to A, 2 belongs to A, 3 belongs to A, 4 belongs to set A. Set A. Clear? This is a set. Set doesn't belong to set. Only elements must be there. This is clear. Now do the second question. Now do the second question. So set A is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then which of the following statements are true? 6 belongs to A. First one. 6 belongs to A. See if element 6 is there or not. In the set A, see if element is there or not. It is there. Therefore, first one is correct. Second one, 7 belongs to. 7 does not belongs to set A.
Only
Yes,
four.
sir, correct.
This is also correct. Now third one, 2 belongs to A, 3 belongs to A, 5 belongs to A. All are belonging.
Yes,
The
sir.
third one also correct.
Correct.
Fourth
Sir,
one,
sir,
yes.
sir, sir, we
Yes.
have to write second question in notebook.
In book, you can do second question. From third, we will start writing. From third, we will start
Sir,
writing.
only fourth is false.
Okay. No, 1, 2, 3.
Not
This one
belong.
also. Third, fourth one. 1, 2, 3. Does it belong to set A? No.
No, sir.
This is a set.
Not
Here must be elements, not belonging. Okay, next one, 6 belongs to A. That is true. But second part, 8 belongs to A. That is wrong. So overall, this will be wrong. So it's also wrong
Yes,
because
sir.
the part is wrong there. So that will be wrong. Only 1, 2, 3. First, second, third. This is clear. Now we'll be discussing representation of sets. Representation, that is how we are going to represent, how we are going to show them. Okay, how they are expressed. So sets, they are expressed or
Sir?
they can be represented in, yes.
Sir, how second is true?
Second, what is second? 7 does not belong. Is 7 somewhere there? 7 does not belongs to A. 7 is not part of A. 7 does not belong to set A. Is 7 there in the set? It's not there. Therefore, this is true. 7 is not part of A. 7 does not belong to A. Okay. You can see this is belonging sign, not belonging. Okay. Now we'll be discussing the representation.
Sir, why is not visible?
Sir, why that fourth question is,
Sir,
Sir?
camera can only visible that.
sir, fourth and
check you.
sir, why they are
Switch it
false?
once, it will be all.
Sir, why
See,
sir?
okay.
fourth-
Sir,
Okay, 1 minute. Fourth one, what I told, have you paid the attention in class? I've told the reason for that. It's a set. It's a set, not the element. It must be element. 1 belongs to A, 2 belongs to A, not the set. These here, these must be elements. These must be elements. That's why it's wrong. Okay. Now we discuss the representation of set. It can be represented by two ways. It can be represented two ways. First is it is called as roster method or tabular method.
sir, tell
Sir,
me,
we cannot
it's
see
not.
upside.
Upside, it is not visible. What you are
It is
writing.
not.
Not visible. Okay, I will write little bit below.
Yes, sir, not visible.
Okay, date is also not visible then. This line is visible or not?
So not
No,
visible.
sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
This one?
No,
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 sir.
sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
This one?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's two boxes.
So now we are representing, okay, this side, this way is event. Set can be represented two ways. Roster method. It is also called as tabular method. Okay. Second is rule method. That is, we'll be putting some rules. We'll be putting some rules. They must be satisfied. That is some conditions we are putting. Rule method or set builder. That is to build, we'll be putting some, we'll be building the set. Okay. So in roster method, we represent, so first I'm discussing. Please stop making.
Ankush. Sir, that sound coming.
Yes, Ankush, stop making the sound. I'm
Yes, sir,
muting you
from
all. Okay, it's okay, no issue. Okay. So first we are discussing roster method. In roster method, what we are doing? We are listing the elements. Whatever the elements are there, we are simply listing them. We are listing them. For example, if you have to make a set of vowels in English. English alphabets, here are the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. If you have to make the set, for example, set A, it consists of vowels. So we will list the elements as such. We are listing the elements as such. That is called as roster or tabular method. Like in table, we used to put the elements. Similarly, we'll be putting the elements here. We'll be putting the elements here. A, E, I, O, U. And these can be put in any order. They can be put in any order. Or you can write this set as E, A, I, U, O. So their arrangement does not matter. Their arrangement does not matter. Tejas, you can switch off your camera so that it is available in full mode. Okay. So elements, you can arrange them in any order. So within the set, they can be arranged in any order. Both the sets are same. They are same sets. Elements can be arranged in any order. Order doesn't matter. Order doesn't matter. So how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 number of elements is 5. Okay. And see here in roster method, we are simply listing the elements. We are enlisting the elements. We are simply putting the elements inside the curly brackets. This is our roster method or tabular method. Like table, we used to put the elements, numbers we used to put, and in element we used to put. Similarly, we put here. This is our roster method. Or if I say week of days of the week, you have to put. So days of the week, W. Days of the week, what you will be putting? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And they can be arranged in any order. Order does not matter. Always remember in set, the order does not matter. They can be arranged in any order. Okay. So this is our roster method. Or we are simply listing the elements. This is our roster method. This is understood. Now, if we have to make the set builder method. Okay, we have to make the set builder method. So see here, for example, any example we can take. X equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is our roster method. Elements are listed in roster method. Okay, now we'll convert this into set builder method. That is, some rules we have to make, some rules we have to provide. Okay, I put is here complete X. So what are these? These are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we can write them as natural numbers. So see here, X, either you write like this or you can write like this, X such that X belongs to what? X belongs to natural numbers. X such that X belongs to natural number. X is what? Natural number. So natural number are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. We have provided X such that X belongs to natural. X is natural number. 1, X is the element. Here X is the element and X such that X belongs to natural number. Each element belongs to natural number. So from this set, we will be taking the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we require only up to 4. We require only up to 4. So we have to provide the condition as well. We have to provide the condition as well. X such that X belongs to natural number and X is less than, how much should I put? How much should I put here? Anyone in class?
5.
5. Okay, or we can write like this as well. X such that X belongs to natural number and X is less than equal to 4. Anyone we can use? So see here, Set builder method, rule method. We have provided some rules. We have provided some rules. Some conditions we have put. X such that X is the element. It belongs to natural number. First condition. It must be natural number only. It must be natural number. Now, second condition. It must be less than 5. It must be less than 5, or we can write X less than equal to 4. Both way we can represent. Okay. Now, if someone says convert this from set builder form to roster form, we can convert X such that X belongs to natural number. So X can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. It must be less than 5. We can put 1, 2, 3, 4. Condition is satisfied, both conditions. X is a natural number as well. It is less than 5, less than 5. So we can convert from roster method to set builder form, or from set builder form to roster method. We can convert. We can represent any set in any of these forms. Understood this one? So roster tabular method, we simply enlist the elements. We simply write down the elements. What are the elements? In rule or set builder form, we are building a set. How we are going to build the set, or what rules we are going to provide. Which rules must be satisfied. So we have provided rules, conditions we have provided. First rule, it must be natural number. Second rule, it must be less than 5 or less than equal to 4. So this is clear. From roster method, we can write rule method. From rule method, we can write roster method. Okay, just go through it once for 1 minute. Just try to understand for 1 minute. So always you'll be writing X such that X is the element of, this is the element of natural numbers. It belongs to natural numbers, and X is less than 5. That is, each element must be natural number. Each element must be natural number, and each element must be less than 5. Each element must be less than 5. Okay, this is clear. Understood this one? Now we can start next question. Okay, now we can start next question. Okay, so the next question is, write each of the following sets by the roster method. Okay, we have to write, the statements are given to us and we have to write them in roster method. Set of the last 3 months of a year. Set of a last 3 months of the year. So you can represent the set as Y, or anything you can represent, or months you can represent M. So last 3 months, which are there? Last 3
October,
months, which are
October, November, December.
okay, so answer will be October and comma, one element we've written. November.
Sir, cannot see, sir. It is too much up.
Okay, again,
Sir,
I
let's start.
forgot. Okay, I rubbed the line. I rubbed the line. Okay, this line you can see.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. Let me make it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can see the word.
Visible.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes,
but
sir.
not
Okay.
full downside.
Downside, leave it. We don't require downside. I won't go down. Okay, so set M, I'm representing with set M. Okay, October, comma, November, comma, December. Okay, and you can interchange. These can be arranged in any order. Doesn't matter. Within the set, order does not matter. This is clear. Second one, the set of angles of triangle A, B, C. So set of angles. So which angles are there? Angle I'm representing. Angle which is there? First angle, this one. Angle, either you can write angle A, angle B, angle C. Or you can write it like this. First angle CAB. Angle CAB. Angle ABC. Angle BCA. The order does not matter. You can arrange them in any order. This is clear? Okay, next one, the set of the even integers between 25 and 35. It must be integer and it must be between 25 and 35. So what are those integers? It must be 25 and 35 between them.
26, 28, 30, 32,
26,
34.
28, 30, 32, 35.
It must be even integers. So we take 26, 27 is odd, we won't take. 28, 29 we can't take. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 36 will be bigger. So these will be the elements of integers. They can be arranged in any order, does not matter. Whether you start with 34, 32, or you start with 26, then 30, 28, any order you can put, okay? Now, fourth one, express each of the following sets in a set builder form. In a set builder form, the set of even integers between 11 and 21. Okay, do it once. Keep doing your notebook, okay? Do it, then we'll be doing on board. Each in the set builder form. First is set of even integers between 11 and 12. It must be 11 and 12. It must be between 11 and 12. Okay, X we are taking. X must be between 11 and 12.
21.
Okay, this is one condition. One more condition is what? It must be even integers. It
So
must
that
be
is 21.
Sir,
not
it will
12.
come 21.
So that is 21, not 12.
21. This is 21. Okay, and it must be even integers. It must be even integers. So set of even integers, first conditions, it must be even condition. Second condition, it must be between 11 and 21. So how we can write? So for example, n is an integer. Okay.
Write this in notebook.
Yes, you have to do in notebook. Okay, I'm just explaining first. N is the element. N is okay. N is the integer. For example, okay, 1 minute. Integers I'm writing first. Minus infinity, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, up to infinity. Okay, here its element we are taking
Sir,
as
break.
n. We are taking n as the element of this integer. Okay, so first how to write? X is the element of our set. Okay, set I'm writing with S. X is the element such that X equal to what? I'm writing 2n. X is the element. X is the element such that X equal to 2n and n must be less than or equal to. We have to write. N must be less than or equal to. We have to write. So what are the elements? It must be there. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. These are the elements. Okay, just listen here. It's a set of even integers between 11 and 21. So answer must be this one in roster method. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. This must be the answer. Now we have to write this in set builder form. We have to write this in set builder form. So X such that X equal to 1. Okay, time is there. 1 minute. After 4 minutes, we will take 4 or 5 minutes break. Then we'll start again. Okay, we take 5 minutes break after 4 minutes. X equal to 2n. Okay, now n will be less than equal to 6, less than equal to 10. Can we write like this? Okay, let me explain it. Okay, now see here. First write the elements. Okay, how to do it? First write the elements in roster method. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. These are the elements. and we have to write this in set builder form. Okay, so what I'm writing, x such that x equal to 2n. See here, there is a difference of, it is a 2 into 6, it is 2 into 7, it is 2 into 8, this is 2 into 9, this is 2 into 10. So whenever it comes that it's a even integers, then write 2n. If it is a odd integers, then write 2n plus 1 or 2n minus 1. Always use this one. If it is written even integers, even natural numbers, even whole numbers, then 2n you write, first condition, x equal to 2n. If it is odd integers, odd whole numbers, odd natural numbers, then write x equal to 2n plus 1 or x equal to 2n minus 1. This you understood? Always write, you can write that. So see here, we have the elements 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. These are the elements, and we have to write them in set builder form. So see here, these are even natural numbers, even integers. So write x equal to 2n. Okay, 2n we have put, but 2n means no limits on both the sides. We have to put the limits as well. So for n we are putting the limits. 2 into 6, 2 into 7, 2 into 8. So n is between 6 and 10 as well, both are included. So 6 to 10. 6. Okay, now how to write it back to the set builder form? X equal to 2n when n equal to 6. So first element will be 2 into 6.
Sir, can you explain again?
Okay, see it again. If the in question, if it comes, yes, please mute yourself. Sneha, mute yourself.
Sir,
Okay, 1 minute. Yes, I'm explaining again. See it properly. These are important. Okay. We are given first condition that we have to make a set of even integers. We have to make a set of even integers. And the integers must lie, these even integers must lie between 11 and 21. So what are the elements? 12, 13, 16, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. These are the elements. These are the elements of this. We have to write in set builder form. Okay. So always remember whenever it comes even integers, even whole numbers, even natural numbers, then always write one condition as x equal to 2n. X equal to 2n. One condition, one rule. Okay. If it is written odd integers, then x equal to either write 2n plus 1. We can write like this, or x equal to 2n minus 1. This is how we get always the odd numbers. You can see, put 1, x equal to 2, put 2, x equal to
Sir,
when
between your voice is cutting.
voice is cutting. Okay, just give me 1 second. Let me reconnect it. Connect. Okay, I'll put both of them. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so see here, whenever comes, it's even integers, even natural numbers, even whole numbers. Always write x equal to 2n. X equal to element such that x equal to 2n. Now, see here, what are the elements we'll get? When n equal to 0, 0. When n equal to 1, 2. When n equal to 2, 4. When n equal to 3, 6. We are getting even numbers. If odd, x equal to 2n minus 1. Mainly we take minus 1. Okay. Okay. Now n equal to 0. It will be what? So mainly we take this one. Okay. Always prefer this one. 2n minus 1. When n equal to 0, minus 1. Okay. Leave
Sir,
that one.
sir,
Yes.
Sir, why we take 10? Sir, why we take 10 in that set?
10. Okay, I'll explain that one. This is second condition I haven't explained yet. Okay, I'm explaining just first one. So minus 1. 1 when n is 1. 2 minus 1, 1. When n is equal to 2. 4 minus 1, 3, 5, 7. We are getting odd numbers. So for even, always put
Sir-
whenever in question. Yes. Whenever in question, if it is written, it's a even integers or even integers or even whole numbers, even natural number. Always take first condition as x equal to 2n. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, that instead of sir this 2n minus 1, we can write even number and odd number also. Even odd.
You can write this as well, but mainly second condition how you are going to put them. You n की जगह in place of n you will be putting odd numbers then 11, 12. But that looks little bit odd. Okay, this is more refined. Like we can say that will be little bit crude. This is more refined. This is better way to represent x such that x equal to 2n. Okay, x equal to 2n. Now for this n we have to put the condition. So first condition is that element x such that x equal to 2n. Now in second condition we're putting condition for n. That is what is the limit of n. Because here x is dependent on n. Okay. So if you put the condition on n, indirectly you are putting condition on x. Yes or no? If you are putting limits on n, indirectly we have put limits on x.
Sir,
Understood
time
this
over.
one? Okay, just 1 minute I'll take, then we'll take 5 minutes break. Okay. Let me explain this question. After this question, we'll take 5 minutes break. Okay. So first condition is clear. X such that x equal to 2n. Okay. Now this n, we have to put condition of n. It must lie between what? 2 into 6. So if n is 6, lower limit must be 6, then only x we are getting 12. So n is greater than or equal to 6. Upper limit how we are going to put? Here x is 20. N will be how much? 10. And if n is 10, then only we are getting x equal to 20. We have to upper limit is less than or equal to 10. If you put n equal to 11, it comes out to be 22. That should not be included. So we have put limit on n. In first condition, we defined what is x, such that x equal to 2n. So x is dependent on n. Now we are putting condition on n in second one. N must lie between 6 and 10. Okay. Now see if we have to convert back into roster form, how we are going to convert. So n values what are there? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the values of n. Understood this one? These are the values of n. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This you understood? These are the values of n. Now keep putting. First, when n is equal to 6, x will be how much? 2 into 6, 12. When n equal to 7, x will be 14. When n equal to 8, x will be 16. When n equal to 9, x will be 18. When n equal to 10, x will be 20. Understood this one? From roster to set builder form back to roster. Okay. Now see one more thing we have to put. And what is n? What is n? That also we have to define. N can be 0.5, 0.6. This should not be there. So what we are going to write? Set x such that x equal to 2n. Where n is what? N belongs to integers. Where n belongs to integer. That is, it can take only the value of integers. And n must lie between 6 and 10. Okay. Now we can take 5 minutes break. Okay. I'll be online here. We can take 5 minutes break. You can go for washroom or drinking water.
Sir, in this second question, we can write like this. x such that x is equals to 6 and where n is less than or equal to 1 but where n is greater than or equal to 1 but less than or equal to 8.
Okay, 1 minute. X such that x equal to 6n.
6n.
Okay. Okay, we'll do that one as well. You see. Okay. Then
Where
n is natural integers. Okay.
where n is greater than or equal to 1 and n is less than or equal to 8.
Greater than or
Less
equal to 1 and less than and equal to
8.
8. Okay. If we do like this. Okay. So when n equal to 1, what we'll be getting? 6. When n equal to 2,
12.
12. When n equal to 3,
18.
18. Are they same?
Yes, sir.
So see here it means x is a multiple of 6. When the question comes, represent 6, 12, 18, these in set builder form. Then we can write 6n. Yes or no? 6, 1 ja 6, 6, 2 ja 12, 6, 3 ja 18. Understood this one? If this is a
Sir,
set
I have
given,
not understood. Sir, how
which
that
one?
10 came, sir? 10, sir, I have not
10.
understood.
Okay. Okay, 10 we'll see now. Okay. 10 is that 10 is the upper limit. 10 is the upper limit. Okay.
Sir, you were explaining first or second? I told the answer of second.
Second, I haven't explained yet.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that I haven't explained. Okay. Okay. So where n belongs to integers and okay. So see here, this condition is clear. X such that x equal to 2n. Okay. X equal to 2n, where n belongs to integers. So n belongs to integers means what all values n can take. What all values n can take? Minus infinity to plus infinity, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. But because of the condition, what all values n can take? What will be the values of n? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These all values it can take. Okay. And see here, lower limit is what? 12. X must be 12 only. X must be 12 only. X is 12 only when n equal to 6. So lower limit starts from 6. Upper limit, x must be 20 only. X must be 20. So it can be 10 only. N must be 10. Okay. If I'm putting upper limit 12, 11 if I'm putting, then one more element will be getting, that is when n equal to 11, 22. And 22 is not the element of the set. It must not be there. So it must be 10. Okay. Moreover, how we can find that n? Okay, see here, x equal to 2n. That means each element is represented in terms of 2n. So here, what is n? 2 into 6. So n is 6. N is 6 because 2n we have to represent. N is 6. Here, 2 into 7. Similarly, here, 2 into 10. So this is the upper limit of n. This is the upper limit of n. So limits of n are 6 and 10. Upper and lower limits, including them, 6 and 10. So what are the conditions? First, even integers. So x equal to 2n, where n is integers. Where n is what we have defined n. What is n? N is an integer. It belongs to integers. Belongs to integers. And now integers can be anything. -5, -7, minus infinity. We have provided limit to n as well. That limit here we have provided. That means it must lie between 6 and 10, and including both. Okay, understood? Okay, do the next one now. Do it yourself once. First, read the question. Read the question. So see here, which we're doing here. Fourth, second. The set of the whole numbers that are divisible by 6 and are less than 48. Set of the whole numbers that are divisible by 6 and less than 48. So here in answer it is taken P. Okay. So set of whole numbers. So what are whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. These are whole numbers. From this we have to choose. What we have to choose? The numbers which are divisible by 6, which are divisible by 6 and less than 48. So the numbers we have to choose 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. From this we have to choose which are divisible by 6 and less than 48, not including 48. Okay, less than 48. So what are the numbers? If I'm denoting with what we should denote? S set. 0, 1, 2, 3. They are not divisible by 6. 6 is divisible. Next one, what will be there? Next element 12, 18, then 24, then 30. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 12, 18, 24, 30. Next 36, 42, 48 can be like 48. We cannot write 48 since it must be less than 48. So this is the set. We have to find the whole numbers which are divisible by 6 and less than 48. So upper limit we have provided. Okay, which are divisible by 6. Whole numbers, this is the set. From this we have to find the elements. So 6 is one element. 12 we have taken from this one. 18 we have taken from whole numbers. 30 we have taken from whole numbers. 36 we have taken whole numbers. 42 we have taken. 48 we can't take because we have to find only the numbers which are less than 48. So this is the set roster form. Now represent in set builder form. How can represent this set builder form? S equal to
Represent
x such that x equal to how much? If each element I am considering this as P. Okay, this is what? 6 into 1, this is 6 into 2, this is 6 into 3, this is 6 into 4. So I'm writing 6P. These are P. X equal to 6P. Okay. 6, 4, 6 into 5, 6 into 6, 6 into 7. Okay. 6 into 7. So what is the limit of P? It must be less than or equal to 7. X equal to 6P. Where P is what? P belongs to whole numbers. P belongs to whole numbers. You can write natural numbers also, doesn't matter. P belongs to whole numbers. Okay, here you write natural number. Okay, that will be more better. No more condition you have to put. P belongs to natural numbers and P is less than equal to 7. One way like this. Okay, this you have understood. So what are the P values? Natural number 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. From that, less than equal to 7. P 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These all values P can take. Now put values of P equal to 1. We get 6. P equal to 2 you put, we get 12. P equal to 3 you put, we'll get 18. P equal to 4 you put, we get 24. P equal to 5 you put, we get 30. Put P equal to 6, we get 36. P equal to 7 we put, we get 42. Understood this one? More ways you can represent as well. More ways, x such that x equal to 6p, where p belongs to natural numbers and p is less than 8. This way also we can put, yes or no? This way also we can put. We can put this way as well. And it is considering 0 as well or not. Okay, 1 minute here. Whole numbers you have to put. 0 as well it is considering. Set of whole numbers that are divisible by 6. Yes, 0 is whole numbers you have to find only. So it will be whole numbers. It will start from 0. 0 into 6, 0.
So could you explain third question, please?
Third, fourth, third. This you have doubt, no doubt. Okay. Go for fourth one now. Fourth one. Read the fourth one. Okay. Fourth, third. Fourth, third. The set of the factors of 30. Set of the factors of 30. What are the factors of 30?
1, 2,
1,
3,
2, 3,
2, 5,
4 is there, 5 is there, then
6,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
and
30.
30.
These are the factors. These are the factors.
Sir, it's third question of
It's
that
third,
fourth.
third, fourth, third, fourth, third. These are the factors of 30. So this is the set of the factors of 30. This is very easy. You can write S equal to X such that X is a factor of 30. Any more, we cannot put the mathematical formula for this one. This is the most best way we can represent. There is no other way we can represent. 1, 2, 3, 5. X such that X is a factor of 30. Or X, you can put one line as well. X such that X is a factor of 30. Understood this one? This is the easiest one. We cannot put it more different way. Understood this one? Okay, now do the fifth one. Fifth one you do. Fifth first. From set builder to roster is very easy. Okay, fifth first. Express each of the following sets in the tabular and set builder forms. So both ways you have to represent. The set of positive integers. The set of positive integers. So integers are what? Minus infinity, -2, -1, 0. Mainly dots are put. 1, 2, up to infinity. These are the integers, and what we have to say? Set of positive integers only. So set of positive integers are representing with P. What will be the answer? Set of positive integers only. We don't have to take the negative integers. It will be what? 1, 2, 3, up to infinity. This will be the answer. This will be the answer. And how to write? In set builder form. Set builder form X such that what condition we should put? These are the elements. X must be greater than X belongs to integers, and first condition X belongs to integers. That means X can be minus infinity, -2, -1, 0. But we require only 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we do not require those. So X must be greater than 0. S must be greater than 0. Understood this one? Or any other method as well, one more easy we can put. P equal to X such that X belongs to natural numbers. Yes or no? This also we can write. X belongs to natural number 1, 2, 3, 4. These are natural numbers only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. Either this way. On integers, we have put one condition, that is X must be greater than 0. So here the elements will start from 1, 2, 3, 4. Or X belongs to natural number. Natural numbers always starts from 1, 2, 3, 4. Any way we can write. Both are also correct. X such that X belongs to integers. Integers, it can take any value of these. But because of second condition, because of this condition, it will take only 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity values. Or we simply write X such that, okay, here dots or line as well we can put. X such that X belongs to natural number. Understood this one? Okay, second one, the set of odd natural numbers. Set of odd natural numbers. Set of odd natural numbers. So set of odd natural numbers will be what? Okay, first I write the natural numbers. Natural numbers set will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. This is the set of natural numbers, and we have to take only the odd natural numbers. That means our set must consist of which numbers? 1, then 3, 5, 7 up to infinity. This must be our answer. From this, we have to choose only the odd natural numbers. Okay, so this is our in-roster method. How we can write in set builder form? X such that these are odd natural numbers, 2n minus 1. X equal to 2n minus 1. Where n is what? N belongs to natural numbers. N belongs to natural numbers. And n belongs to natural number. That's it. No more condition we require. Okay, now keep putting. N values what it can take? 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. These values smaller n can take. Keep putting this one. First element when n equal to 1. 2 into 1 minus 1. 1. Next element 2. 2 into 2 4 minus 1 3. Next element 3. 3. 3 into 2 6 minus 1 5. Understood this one? X such that X equal to 2n minus 1. It is a odd natural numbers we have to choose. So X equal to 2n minus 1. If it comes even numbers, then 2n. X equal to 2n minus 1, where n belongs to natural numbers. So we get the same set. Understood this one? Anyone have doubt? Okay, do the next one. Fifth, third. The set of factors of 24. This you can do yourself. We have done the set of factors of 21, 24. This is homework. Okay. Set of prime factors of 48. Set of prime factors of 48. So we have to choose first the factors. From that we have to choose prime factors. 48. What are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 is not there. 48, 20.
Yes, sir, 16. Sir, 16.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 24, 48. Okay, 16, 3 is 48. These are the factors. From them, which factors we have to choose? Prime factors. So what are the prime factors? So prime factors I'm representing with
2 and
set
3.
F. 2, 3. Only these two. Rest are not prime factors. Composite numbers they are. So 2 and 3. Okay. How to represent in set builder form? X such that X is a prime factor of 48. No other way we can do. Okay. Understood this one? Okay. The set of the natural numbers which are perfect squares and less than 50. Okay. This is very easy. Perfect square. Okay. Perfect square and less than 50. So it must be So we have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to infinity. We have to find the perfect squares and less than 50. 1 square, 1, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9, 4 square, 16, 5 square, 25, 6 square, 36. Okay. Okay, these are the sets. 7 square, 49, 8 square, 64. Okay. But this is greater than 50. We have to find set of square numbers. We have to find the set of square numbers and less than 50. Set of perfect squares we have to find. So these are perfect squares. This will be the elements of the set. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49. We have to stop here at 49 because it must perfect square must be less than 50. Okay, this is in roster form. How to write in set builder form? X such that x equal to n square. N square. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square. Okay. And where n must be, n is natural number, n belongs to natural number. And first condition, n belongs to natural number, n is less than, what will be the answer? 8, or you can write n is less than equal to 7. This is the limit n. We have to find up to only 49. So now you can find the elements n such x such that x belongs to x equal to n square. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, where n belongs to natural numbers, n is less than 8. So when n equal to 1, we get 1. When n equal to 2, we get 4. When n equal to 3, we get 9. When n equal to 4, we get 16. N equal to 5, 25. N equal to 6, 36. N equal to 7, 49. Understood this one? This is clear? So here, n belongs to, okay, n only. Okay, in this, okay, fifth, see here. Do the correction there. In fifth. In fifth, do one correction. X such that x equal to n square, n belongs to n. N belongs to, do this correction there. Okay. Here you can put this condition or this condition. Here it is n, not x. In book it is written wrong. Correct that one. In answers it is written x. Correct that one. N belongs to natural numbers because x is dependent on n. So we don't have to define x. X is already defined in terms of n. So n we have to define. N belongs to n. Okay. Did that one? Okay. Now do the sixth one. Start this question. First, write the following in tabular form. So we are using set x such that x equal to n upon, these are very easy. Writing in tabular form, it is very, very easy. Where n belongs to natural numbers and n is less than equal to 9. Okay. So see here, these are the elements x we have to write. So anything we can put p equal to, and n is less than equal to, n belongs to natural numbers, n less than 9. So what are the values of n? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the values of n that n can take, smaller n. Now keep putting there. First element, when n equal to 1, 1 upon 1 plus 1. 1 upon 2. Second one, put n equal to 2. 2 upon 2 plus 1. 3. When n equal to 3, 3 upon 3 plus 1. 4. Similarly, keep putting them. 4 upon 5. 5 upon 6. 6 upon 7. 7 upon 8. 8 upon 9. 9 upon 10. We have to stop here. N equal to 9. So these are the elements. Easy. X such that x equal to n upon n plus 1. So these are the elements of P. X is the element, and in terms of n. So n values, n belongs to natural numbers. These are natural numbers, and less than equal to 9. Up to 9 we have written. Now take each value on right. When n equal to 1, put 1 here, 1 upon 2. Put 2 here, you get the second element. Third element, fourth element. Similarly, you can put different values of a smaller n. You get the values of the elements of set P. Understood this one? Any doubt? Okay, do the next one. P such that P equal to 3n plus 1. P such that P equal to 3n plus 1. Plus 1, where n is natural numbers. N belongs to whole numbers. And n limits is given less than equal to 2. Okay, greater than equal to 2 or less than equal to 5. Okay, so n is what? Whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. But because of these conditions, n lies between 2 and 5. So n can take only these values 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep putting there. When n equal to 2, elements will be 2. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Put 3. 3 into 3, 9 plus 1, 10. Put n equal to 4. 4 into 3, 12 plus 1, 13. 5 is 15 plus 1, 16. Understood this one? These are very easy. So these questions can you do? Okay, third you can do. Can you complete sixth question? Sixth you try to do as homework.
Okay, sir.
Okay, seventh we do. Okay, we start with seventh. Okay, sixth question complete as homework. If you have doubt, we will discuss tomorrow. Seventh question we start. From roster to set builder form, it's a little bit difficult, but if you understand, it's easy. Okay. So first question, see here what is given. 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, up to infinity. So this we have to write. So see here 1 we can write it as 1 by 1 or not. We can write it like this. So 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Okay, what is changing here? What is changing? Numerator is changing? No, only denominator is changing. Okay, so if we represent each element as 1 by, okay, 1 by what should I do? N. Okay, if we represent each element by 1 and 1 by n, so it is 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3. So its value is changing, n value is changing from what? 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Understood this one? 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. When n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you are putting 1, we are getting 1 by 1. If you are putting 1, 2, we are getting 1 by 2. So this will be the formula. So x such that x equal to 1 by n. We can write like this formula, x equal to 1 by n, where n is what? N belongs to, these are what? Natural numbers, and only this much we have to write. Understood this one? X such that x equal to 1 by n, where n belongs to natural numbers. N belongs to natural number, that is 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Keep putting here 1 by 1. First element we get 1 by 2. Second element 1 by 3. Third element 1 by 4. Fourth element. Okay, just go through it one. Any doubt you have here? So first, find the formula,
Sir,
what we can use.
Sir, again
Yes.
explain.
Okay, see here. What is the question given? 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. These are given in question. We have to put in tabular form. If we have to put them in set builder form. Okay, how we can put? See here, is the numerator changing? We have to find the formula first. X equal to, numerator is not changing, we can put 1. Because in all of them, numerator is same. Numerator is same, but denominator is changing. How denominator is changing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is increasing. So I am putting n, 1 by n. And n values we can change from, we take from 1 to infinity. If I are taking n equal to 1, we get 1 upon 1, that is 1. If we are putting n equal to 2, we will be getting 1 upon 2, second element. If we are putting 3, 1 upon 3, third element will be getting. If you are putting 4, we will be getting x as 1 by 4, fourth element. So formula we have found out. We have found out the formula. Now put it in the set builder form. X such that x equal to 1 by n, where n is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, m to infinity values it will take. N is natural number. We can simply write n belongs to natural numbers. N belongs to natural numbers. That means it can take values of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity. Now keep putting the values here. First element 1, second element 1 by 2, third element put 3 here, 1 by 3, fourth element put 4 here, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, up to infinity it will go. This is in tabular form, this is tabular or roster, this is set builder or rules method. Understood this one now? Okay, do the next one now. So first find the formula. What formula we are going to use? Okay. Second one 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay. Here as well you can see. I'm writing 3, 6, 9, 12. These are the elements. Okay. See here 3, 6, 9, 12. They are multiples of 3. This we can write
3.
as 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. What formula we can write? 3n. 3n we can write x equal to 3n. So x such that x equal to 3n. X such that x equal to 3n. Now n values 1, 2, 3, 4. So where n belongs to natural numbers and n is less than or equal to 4.
Sir, you missing 15.
Yes. Okay, 15 is there as well. Okay, 15 is there as well. Okay, one more minute.
Yes, sir,
15.
15 is there.
Okay, so here what I have to make changes. Some change we have to make here. 5. Understood now? So x such that x equal to 3n. So first we find out the formula. 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3. These are multiples of 3. 4, 5. Where? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are n. X equal to 3n. So x such that x equal to 3n, where n is natural number. N is natural number. And we have to stop here. When n equal to 5, we have to stop. And n is less than equal to 5. So two conditions we have put on n. And x we are defined in terms of n. And two conditions we have put on n. That is, it must be natural number and it must be less than equal to 5. Okay. Now do the next one. 0, 4, 8, 12, 16 up to 40. It is table of what? 0, 4, 8, 12. Can you do it?
4. Yes, sir, do it.
4, 0, 4,
Sir, your voice
8.
is not coming.
Okay, just wait a minute. 8, 12 up to
Sir, it's clear.
13. Okay. 4 into 0, 4 into 1, 4 into 2. Like this it will be going. 4 into 12. So n is from 0 to 12. Here we can take whole numbers. So 4n. X such that x equal to 4n. Please mute yourself, everyone. Okay. So x such that x equal to 4n. Where n belongs to, see here n is starting from 0. N is starting from 0 to 12. So we can write whole numbers. Whole numbers starts from 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. But we have to put limit on whole numbers. We are not going to take all the whole numbers. So second limit will be what? N must be less than equal to, because whole numbers, it will be starting from 0 up to infinity. We have to put the upper limit as well. Upper limit we have to put n less than equal to 12. Understood this one? Now n can take only values 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 12. And we'll get it. This is clear? Okay, next one, 1, 2, 13, 26. 1, 2, 13, 26. These are,
So these are factor of 26.
1, 2, 13, 20. These are factors of 26. This is very easy. X such that x is a factor of 26. X such that x is a factor of 26. Okay, last one. Minus 24 to 60. Minus 24, minus 12, 0, 12, 24, 36, 48, up to 60, I think. Okay, this we have to represent in. So it is a table of what? 12 we can write? 12 into minus 2. This will be 12 into minus 1. This is 12 into 0. So n is from minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the values of small n. So we can write x such that x belongs to x equal to 12 n, where n belongs to what we can take. Natural numbers we cannot take. Whole numbers we cannot take, it must be integers. But integers are from minus infinity to plus infinity. We must have put the limit now. And okay, 1 minute I'll take only. 1 minute is remaining. Okay, 1 minute I'll take. So lower limit what I have to put? Because integers are from minus. So less than equal, greater than or equal to minus 2. Upper limit also I have to put. 5. Less than equal to 5. Understood this one? So revise this chapter. This is, if you understood this chapter, the next part it will be very easy. B is very easy. Operations will be very easy. Okay, just go through this chapter. We have completed first chapter, first part of the chapter.
Sir, can we leave?
Yes, you can leave now, definitely.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Have a good day.